Hello there, Dr. Atkin here, a chiropractor and master herbalist at Family Focus Chiropractic, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix sciatic pain. Now, before we talk about fixing sciatic pain, we need to understand what it is, because I'm telling you, my patients come in here and I have people tell me all the time that they have sciatica and it's just not what they have. So here's an easy way to remember it. Sciatic pain is a pain in the butt, right? There's low back pain, and that can be caused by all kinds of things. Sometimes sciatic pain comes along with low back pain. But see, to understand why sciatic pain would actually be a pain literally in the butt, you have to understand a little bit about that sciatic nerve. So this is a plastic model of the spine. You can see this is the lower back area, kind of right above the hip. So you're right, kind of right dead in the center of your lower back. Well, there's a bunch of nerves that are coming out between the bones in your spine. When those nerves come together at the very base of your spine, there's actually nerves that come together from multiple different levels, and they all come together. They form one big nerve. It's called the sciatic nerve, and that one runs down the back of your leg. It keeps going. It goes all the way down to your foot. It's actually the longest nerve in your entire body. So when we look at what that sciatic nerve does, you know, obviously it's going to control and coordinate the function of a lot of things going on within that lower leg. But when there is any compression or irritation to the nerve roots or the sciatic nerve itself, then it causes lots of pain. And often it's right in the back of your leg, right in the butt. So when I say that sciatic pain is a pain in the butt, that's literally where it happens. There's lots of different tests that we can kind of determine where it comes from. As far as what causes it, you know, once again, anything that's causing, you know, irritation or nerve pressure. So if that spine shifts out of alignment, putting pressure on those nerve roots, then that can be where that sciatic pain comes from. In fact, that's far and away the most common cause of sciatic pain. Now, disc issues, same thing. If your disc is slightly bulging, then it can put pressure on those nerves and also cause that sciatic pain. So when you're dealing with disc herniations, or if you're dealing with spinal misalignments, that's where chiropractic care becomes very important to get that taken care of. Now, another cause of sciatic pain, and sometimes it's just an effect, but there's another muscle, and it's, once again, it's a muscle in your butt. It's called the Piriformis muscle, kind of right on the top part of the butt cheek there. The sciatic nerve actually goes underneath the piriformis muscle. So sometimes if that muscle gets really tight, that can irritate the nerve. Sometimes when the nerve's irritated, it causes the piriformis muscle to tighten up. So one way or another, usually we need to work on that piriformis muscle. So, you know, obviously there might be a few more rare causes beyond that, but those are the general causes of that sciatic nerve pain. So let's get to the good stuff and talk about how we're going to fix it. So 3 things: adjust it, stretch it, and ice it. When I say adjust it, anybody who's been in here to see a chiropractor, really any chiropractor, hopefully they see that as we adjust the spine, which simply means that if the spine is out of alignment, putting pressure on any nerve, particularly the sciatic nerve, then as we gently correct and realign the spine, it takes pressure off of that nerve, thus enabling the body to go through its healing process so that it can heal. Now, when you're getting sciatic nerve pain, that's generally not the first sign of a problem. That's usually a sign that it's been there for a long time. So of course, there's going to be a period where it will take some time to heal, but adjusting it is the most important thing that you can do for sciatic pain, particularly when it's caused by spinal misalignment. It's fantastic for the discs as well. There's some traction in the lower back that sometimes need to happen to free up those discs, but either way, taking care of the spine and in the lower back is often the key to that sciatic pain. Now, when I say stretch it, I'm talking about that piriformis muscle. So you'll see here in the picture, really what you're going to do is you're going to cross your leg. So you take the painful leg, you cross it over the other leg, and then what you want to do is you want to take the opposite knee in your chest and make them closer together. So if you're sitting in a chair, you can kind of lean forward. If you're laying on your back, you can grab that opposite knee and just pull it closer to you. You can even grab that whole leg and just reach in. But what you're going to feel is it's going to target that area right where that sciatic pain is, Play with it with a couple different angles, but that's an important stretch for that piriformis muscle. And then the last thing, the sciatic pain and a lot of pain is ultimately also caused by inflammation. So anything that reduces inflammation is going to help. So certainly icing it may be beneficial. Granted, that's only going to provide temporary relief, but that's a good way to get that relief. Anything natural when it comes to anti-inflammatories is going to help as well too. So once again, here's your take-home message. Sciatica is a pain in the butt caused by the nerves coming out of that lower back and running all the way down your leg. We correct it by adjusting it, stretching it, and icing it. That's something that we love helping people with here in our office. If you've never been in to see a chiropractor, Dr. Atkin at Family Focus Chiropractic in Holly Springs, North Carolina, absolutely cannot wait to meet you here in this office. Love to help you take care of that problem. Look forward to seeing you soon, and have a wonderful rest of the day.